Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to do a fan design on fabrics. Now you are seeing a bedsheet on which I have painted big fans, and inside those fans I have painted peonies. This is king size fine cotton bedsheet. If you have a wall decorative fan in your house, just keep it on the cloth and draw the outline. Then you can do the inside design. There are other special techniques to draw a fan which I'll show in my future videos. This fan I have drawn on an imported sheet with fabric colors. I have taken 4 number flat brush and purple color. If you are painting on cloth, mix medium in the color. This design you can paint on sari pallu, then dresses, tops and bed sheet. If you are painting this fan design for sari pallu, the flowers which you paint inside you can paint on the border of the sari. Do see Aparna Arts channel for more techniques in painting and craft works. If you are painting this design on a good quality sheet, you can get this framed. As the hibiscus is wet on wet, I am applying water and then scratching lines with back of brush. If you are painting this design on cloth, first make the lines and then apply medium. I have taken pink for hibiscus and then for center I am taking maroon. I am doing the pink outline for the petals. In same method I am doing the other flower too. For leaves I have taken turquoise blue. lemon yellow for pollens. Now I am using 3D Frolica for outline. This I have put in a cone. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more varieties of flowers. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.